Learn electronics by SRS Electrical Solutions. Resistor. Resistors are electronic components, used to reduce, or limit, or resist the flow of current in any electrical or electronic circuit. Resistors in circuits. Figure 1 shows a circuit in which the bulb glows brightly. Figure 2 shows the same circuit with a resistor and a bulb glows dim. This is because the current in a circuit is reduced by a resistor. If the value of the resistor increased, current in the circuit will be further reduced and the light will glow dimmer. Unit of resistance, ohms, denoted by symbol ohm. Classification of resistor. Resistor has two types: fixed value, variable value. Fixed value. Carbon composition resistor, wire, wound resistor, film resistor, printed resistor. Variable value. Pots, wire, wound, rotary. Presets. Construction of a resistor. The construction of a resistor is shown in the above diagram. The construction of a carbon film resistor can be done by placing the carbon layer on a substrate of a ceramic. The carbon film is a resistive material toward the flow of current in this resistor. The end caps on the resistor are metallic that are placed at both ends of the terminals. The two terminals are connected at the two metallic end caps on the resistor. In this type of resistor, when the resistance of these resistors decreases once the temperature increases, which is known as the high negative temperature coefficient. Resistors in series and parallel. Resistors in series connection. In a series circuit connection, when the resistors are connected in series in a circuit, then the flow of current through the resistors will be same. The voltage across all resistors is equivalent toward the number of voltages across every resistor. The circuit diagram of the resistors in series connection is shown above. Here the resistors used in the circuit are denoted with R1, R2, R3. The total resistance of the three resistors can be written as resistors in parallel connection. In a parallel circuit connection, when the resistors are connected in parallel in a circuit, then the voltage across every resistor will be same. The flow of current across the three components will be the same as the amount of current across every resistor. The circuit diagram of the resistors in parallel connection is shown above. Here the resistors used in the circuit are denoted with R1, R2, and R3. The total resistance of the three resistors can be written as resistance value calculation. The resistance value of a resistor can be calculated using the following two methods. Resistance value calculation using color code. Resistance value calculation using multimeter. Resistance value calculation using color code. To find out the color code of a resistor, here is a standard mnemonic. BB Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife, BBRGBVGW. This sequence color code helps to find the resistor value by seeing colors on resistors. 4 bands resistor color code calculation. In the above 4 bands resistor, the first digit or band indicates a first significant figure of a component. The second digit indicates a second significant figure of a component. The third digit indicates the decimal multiplier. The fourth digit indicates the tolerance of value in percentage. To calculate the color code of the 4-band resistor. The 4-band resistors consist of colors, yellow, violet, orange, and silver. Yellow 4, violet 7, orange 3, silver -10% based on BBR/GBVGW. The color code value of the above resistor is 47 times 103 equals 4.7 kilo ohms, 10%. 5 bands resistor color code calculation. In the above 5 bands resistors, the first 3 colors indicate significant values, and the 4th and 5th colors indicate multiplying and tolerance values. To calculate the color code of the 5-band resistor. 5-band resistors consist of colors, blue, gray, black, orange, and gold. Blue 6, gray 8, black 0, orange 3, gold 5%. The color code value of the above resistor is 68 times 103 equals 6.8 kilo ohms, 5%. 6 bands resistor color code calculation. In the above 6 bands resistors, the first 3 colors indicate significant values, the 4th color indicates multiplying factor, the 5th color indicates tolerance, and the 6th indicates TCR. To calculate the color code of the 6-band resistor. 6-band resistors consist of colors, green, blue, black, yellow, gold, and orange. Green 5, blue 6, black 0, yellow 4, orange 3. The color code value of the above resistor is 56 times 104 equals 560 kilo ohms. Resistance value calculation using multimeter. The multimeter consists of 2 probes such as black probe as well as a red probe. Place the black probe into the COM port, as well as place the red probe into the V-ohmma on the multimeter. Before resistance calculation, you have to place the round disc in the direction of an ohm, which is indicated on the multimeter with the ohm symbol. One can calculate the resistance of a resistor using 2 different probes of a multimeter. Applications of resistor. High-frequency instruments, DC power supplies, filter circuit networks, oscillators, voltage regulators, medical instruments, digital multimeter, transmitters, power control circuit, amplifiers, telecommunication, wave generators, modulators and demodulators. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe our channel, and also follow us on Instagram for updates. Thank you.